Hello friends, welcome to today's video. As you can tell from the title, it is July Ipsy time. I received this package in the mail yesterday here in Canada. Just as my little spiel at the beginning, with Ipsy you do get 5 sample size makeup or skincare or beauty products. Here in Canada it changes a little bit the price every month with the exchange rate, but it tends to be around $19 to $20. You also get a makeup bag in here. Somebody in my comments in the last couple of days said that when you do like a checkout at Ipsy, you can request to not get the makeup bag. I'm gonna look into that. I've mentioned this in previous videos. I just have so many makeup bags now that I just feel like I'm adding more waste than anything, and I don't even care if they charge me the same amount if I'm creating less waste. So I'm gonna look into that, and I will hopefully remember to let you guys know in the next video. For the last little while, I've been hoping in my bags to receive mascara. I did receive a mascara in the last one that I opened, and I'm enjoying that. I'm testing it a little bit more, but I still would love to receive more mascara. I would love to get some more clay masks in here. This is a long shot, but I would love to get like a cream blush or some more cream products. I'm super loving cream blushes lately. So that's kind of what I would like. In here, what else would I like? I do enjoy like liquid eyeliners. I'd like to try out a bit more of that. And I've not been spoiled on this, and I do not remember which product I asked for in here. So let's get into it. So there's nothing that I can feel that's outside of the bag, so everything is contained in here. And it's a pretty simple bag. It's a sort of tightly woven gold material that just says Ipsy down here at the bottom, and in very difficult to see embossed letters, it says stay golden. I actually don't, I kind of like that. It's the little pull tab is a little sun with a little faux turquoise, and then there's a turquoise line there. So you know what? The one thing I do tend to use these for, and it's very rare that I get one, but I feel like this would actually be a pretty nice clutch. I mean, the Ipsy thing isn't huge on here, and if you just sort of like put it down on the table this way, I like the turquoise accents on here. So it's not often that I get one of these that I like, but I do feel like this one could be used as a nice clutch. So it doesn't feel like there's huge things in here, but you know, small things, good packages. That's not right. Small packages, good things. Good things come in small packages. That's what I'm trying to say. So let's see what our theme is for this month. Stay golden, I should have guessed that. This month, everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. So that's the theme. I do find that oftentimes, like you read this and you're like, I'm gonna get a highlighter, I'm gonna get a shimmer shadow. That doesn't necessarily happen. And let's see, yeah, they do mention the products in here, so I'm gonna put that aside until the end. I have something that feels like it's gonna be a powder product because it's wrapped in bubble wrap. So let's check that out first. So that's interesting. It's from a brand I haven't heard of before. It's called Shania B Miami. And I'll just let that focus up there. It's cute, the little 2 flamingos. It's an eyeshadow duo. It's called Soca and Bacchanal. It does say not tested on animals. Let's see what this looks like. There we go. I feel like this would be a very, I mean, this shade is a little deep, but I feel like this could make a really easy 2-tone shadow look. The matte shadow here is a very reddish brown, and then it looks like a nice gold. And they do have, if this will focus, the 2 flamingos embossed into the powder, which is pretty cute. Let's do a little swatch. Okay, they are very soft powders. So those are pretty nice. It's a nice subtle shimmer on the gold, and it seems like a pretty like non-patchy terracotta kind of matte there. So that's interesting. I'm curious to play around with that. I feel like that could be a good like, you know, 2 shades and go kind of eyeshadow look. So there was a little bit of the Stay Golden in there because it was the shimmer shadow. Okay, this feels like maybe a lip product. What do we got? Ooh, okay. It's a mascara. So it's the It Cosmetics Lash Blowout. I'm just gonna open this up here because I want to see what the wand looks like. I've tried one It Cosmetics mascara before. I remember it being very intense, and I actually remember getting one of them, like a sample one in an Ipsy, and then I got a full-size one in a BoxyCharm back when I was still getting BoxyCharm. and I gifted one of them to my sister because she said she wanted some mascara, and she was like, it's a bit too intense for me. She's not like a glam makeup person, and it was a lot, that last mascara. If I remember the name of it, I'll pop it down here. But I know it's not the same mascara as this because it's sort of different branding. Okay, that's a pretty standard brush. I feel like this is the kind of brush, will it focus? That will give you fluffy lashes, which is what I like. I mean, the biggest thing for me right now is trying to find mascaras that are truly transfer and waterproof. And this doesn't say anything about that, but this is also a little sample. I like fluffy lashes. I don't want them to be like stuck together. I want fluffy, separated, natural, but like blacker and longer and fluffier lashes that do not transfer. I'm looking forward to trying this. So 2 pretty good products so far. I've got 2 squeezy tubes. Oh, 3 squeezy tubes left in here. I don't think either of those yet were the products that I chose, so let's see what this is. Okay, this is a First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I do like First Aid Beauty products. I've tried if it'll focus up, a moisturizer from them before that I quite liked. I do feel like they have a lot of different iterations of like coconut, primer, moisturizer. So I feel like maybe I've tried this before, but maybe not. But I do like a good priming moisturizer. Okay, the bigger squeezy tube. Ooh, this feels like maybe a mask. Am I right? No. Okay, this is interesting. This is also not what I chose. So I feel like the last one is going to be the product I chose because I don't recognize any of these so far. This is Dr. Botanical's WM, which I think stands for Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. Interesting. I'll be very interested if this like removes makeup well, if it removes waterproof eye makeup well, if it's easy on your eyes. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and 98% natural, which I have a whole issue with, but to activate the jelly, wet your hands or cotton pad with water. Take 1 generous pump of the jelly to a cotton pad or your fingertips and massage to the eye area to remove makeup. Wash away with generous amount of water. Okay, so it does remove eye makeup. That's good because the number of products I've been trying lately as balm cleansers, which I'm planning on doing a video soon on like a number of different balm cleansers that I've tried. The number of them that say not to use near your eye area is crazy. Like, why would you make a makeup removing product that you can't use near your eyes? That makes no sense to me. So I'm curious about trying this, and let's see if I recognize this last product as the one I maybe requested. Huh, it's not. I think I must have, I don't know what I asked for out of this. Okay, this is from a brand I haven't heard of before. It's called Mystique. It's a hydro hair serum. Okay, that's interesting. I do like getting like hair products because I do dye my hair, I color treat it, I use heat treatment fairly often on it. So anything I can do to keep my hair hydrated and looking good, I like. What is this? An essential dose of added nutrition and finishing touch for an immaculate and visibly healthy hairstyle from morning to night. It just says to apply to damp or dry hair and style. I'll be interested in trying this. So looking at all these products, I do think that I either asked for this product, the priming moisturizer, or perhaps the mascara. Maybe I was super excited and I saw the mascara and chose that and then forgot that I chose it. But this is a pretty good bag. I mean, I do like getting items for my hair because I'll definitely use them. This one, as I said, I feel like I've used some iteration of this before, but it will get used. Very excited about a new mascara. The makeup remover I am interested to try because I'm just always looking for good makeup removers. And this one, I mean, I have a lot of eyeshadows. I have these colors together somewhere in all my palettes, I am sure. So this wouldn't necessarily be what I would choose, but it does seem like they seem very nice and soft and blendable. So I'm curious to give it a go. So that was my Ipsy bag. I'd say overall, it's one of the good ones because I do think I'm going to be getting use out of all of this. All interesting products that I'm looking forward to testing. Let me know if you're interested in my feedback or my reviews on any specific products that you've seen me open up here today. Let me know what you received in your Ipsy. Thank you so much for joining me for this. If you are not yet subscribed and you've made it this far in the video, we must be, sharing some energy here. Feel free to hit subscribe and subscribe to my channel or hit that like button, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!